Today, we will show you how to recreate a broken left mirror cover of a car. We are using the right mirror cover as a template. Let's get started. First, we remove the right mirror cover from the car. We place the mirror cover on the scanner and start the scanning process. We rotate the scanner at different angles to scan each surface and capture as many surface details as possible. This way, we ensure that the scanned model is more realistic and of higher quality. We see the scanning data being reflected on the screen and the details starting to take shape. As the scanning progresses, the details and contours of the model are formed in real time on the screen. We covered our model with a small amount of white paint to improve the scanning of the details. Here, the scanning is complete, and you can see the digital final version of our model. The detailed scanning results show how each detail is clearly represented. 3D printer begins the printing process. And the 3D printing is complete. Now, we are comparing the original mirror with the final version of the 3D printed copy. Looking at the details, you can see that both parts are nearly identical. This demonstrates how successful our scanning and printing process has been. And finally, we show you both the original mirror and the 3D printed version mounted on the car. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.